Hey everyone, Ashley here, and this is the look I'm going to be creating today. I'm using the Milani Call Me Old Fashioned palette. I'm dipping into this light shade on the end. I'm going to be using this color to mix with another brown, so I know it doesn't really show up on camera, but I'm going to show you the difference here on my hand. So since it doesn't really show up on camera, I want to show you what I'm doing here. I'm going to be mixing it with another brown. So here is our second brown on its own with nothing underneath. But if you start with this cool tone shade underneath and then apply the darker brown on top, it creates like a cooler, lighter brown, like so. So you can kind of see it next to the darker brown. It's a little bit different, so that's why I'm starting out with this cool tone color. So here I'm just applying it to the outer corner, inner corner, leaving the center blank, and then applying a little bit to the lower lash line as well. I'm wearing Desio Lenses contacts in shade Pepper Gray. Code AshleyKayla50 is my affiliate code, and that will get you 10% off. Next, I'm dipping into this brown shade with a flat shader brush from Morphe, and I'm packing this color onto the inner portion of the eye, keeping it below the crease. Again, leaving the middle portion blank, and then applying it to the outer corner, trying to maintain a V shape in the outer corner, following the upward slope of the lower lash line. Just kind of blending it towards the center. Next, I'm going with a round brush from Morphe, and then I'm going to use little circular motions on that top edge. I'm dipping back into the brown as needed to blend this upwards and outwards. Again, just maintaining that blank space in the center of the eye. I'm going back in with the fluffy brush that we used for the transition shade to create a soft, seamless blend, using a little bit more of that tan shade to blend if needed. Just going for a blown out look. I'm applying this shimmer color with my finger to the center. I did experience a lot of fallout with this shade. It's a very powdery color, so be aware of that. Next, I'm using this Ofra Cosmetics Sparklights topper in the shade Glisten on the center and inner corner. I did deal with a little bit of fallout on this one too. Next, I'm going in with this black eyeshadow from the Milani palette once again in a shader brush from Hobby Lobby. It's a paintbrush I just got in the paint department, and I'm smoking out the outer corner. I'm just kind of sweeping that back and forth and using a light hand to feather it upwards, dipping back in to have a concentrated application. Then I'm wiping away some of the excess powder that fell down, going a little bit of concealer, eyeliner, mascara, and lashes, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'd enjoyed, and please be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time I post. Bye.